Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah. Remember, Jesus is the reason for the season, and this is Nog French Toast.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking show with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday a new show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
Hey guys, Nog French Toast. What could be better? I know what could be better. Pumpkin cannolis. Check out my video for pumpkin cannolis. But anyway, this is what we're going to do. Okay? You get yourself some. This one's not open yet. You get yourself some eggnog. You have a taste. Make sure it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Always gotta taste your ingredients to make sure they're good. Anyway, for this recipe, you're gonna need some eggnog. Any kind of eggnog of your choice. Doesn't matter the brand, okay? It's your personal preference. It's your will. I'm just living in it, you know what I'm saying? So, other than the eggnog, you're going to need some nonpareils, jimmies, whatever you have to make it festive, you know? Some vanilla flavoring, and if you want to get a little creative, you do some peppermint flavoring also. You're going to need 2 eggs, okay? A tablespoon and a half of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, if you want to put some pumpkin pie spice in there, oh, forget about it. Now we're cooking with fire, right? But I'm gonna keep this a little simple. We had the pumpkin last month. Let's give this month to the eggnog. Okay, so we're gonna shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Gotta shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. All right, so we're gonna do a cup and a half of eggnog. 1 cup and a half. Then you put the rest to the side so you can drink it. That's my drinking, this is my cooking, okay? So don't get it confused. I didn't drink from what I cook with, and if I did, don't worry, it's my will. Forget about it, right? Oh, who's taking notes? If you're taking notes, make sure you erase that one, okay? Nobody wants that. That's 2 large egos. 1 eggo, boom! Boom! 2 egos. You want to get your cinnamon? Boom! Your nutmeg. That is a tablespoon and a half of the cinnamon and a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, now, we could do 1 or 2 things. You could go vanilla, or you could go peppermint. Put a nice little splash in it. You don't need too much, just a little bit, like I always say, a little bit. So, there we go. I'm gonna put a little bit. I'm gonna put 2 capfuls. How about that? That's how we'll measure it. 1 cappy fill. 2 cappy fills. Woo! Smell like Christmas already! You get your whisk, and I wish you a Merry Christmas. So just want to whisk it all together. Alright, so now we're going to go over to the other side. Not the old country, but to the other side of the counter, and we're going to cook up some good French toast. Hey! I'm on this side. You can do it in a frying pan, any kind of pan. Cast iron pan, cast iron skillet. I'm going to use my cast iron skillet. Make sure you get that. Heat it up before you do anything. You heat it up, okay? You want it nice and hot because you don't want to put it on a cold pan. How could you cook on a cold pan? No, you want to heat your pan up first before you cook because it's got to be hot to cook. Eh? Some people don't know that, but now you know. So, you get your mantequilla. That's butter. And you just lather it up. Lather it up. And see that? Now that's hot. That's a hot tamale, right? You get your French toast, dip it in. A little messy, a little wet, right? Then drain off. And then we're going to pop it on there. Woo, see, it's cooking, huh? Yeah. Make sure you get the Texas toast or any kind of thick bread. It's up to you. Some people like to slice hollow. Let that cook, because if you flip it too soon, it's going to be, yeah, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let it cook, let it cook, let it cook. Let it do its thing. Hurrah, hurrah. That is a perfect piece of French toast. So now we know how to cook French toast. I'll show you how to set her up. I'll be right back. All right, here we go. Huh? So French toast, you want to get a knife, you get a plate, right? Oh, it just smells so good. It smells like really, really good. Oh my God. I'll use a knife, all right? You gotta cut it on an angle. It's just the way it's gotta be. Yeah, make it look nice. Now we got some whipped cream, we got some of these jimmies, and we got some maple syrup. So, what I'm gonna do here, I gotta hit it up with all three. Okay, so first, just drizzle really nice. We're going to drizzle some maple syrup. You can use any kind of syrup, but I am a fan of the maple. Okay? Now, we're going to put some whipped cream. Boom! That whipped cream's going to melt, and then we're going to hit it with some sprinkles. AKA Jessica, Mrs. Sprinkles. Boom! Now that's that. See how the whipped cream is melting? Oh, let's taste. I gotta go in for where the whipped cream is, huh? Let's see. I'm a fan. Oh man. That peppermint. Boom! Kicks it up to the next notch, you know what I'm saying? Guys, this tastes like Christmas. Let me tell you. Merry Christmas, guys. If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification bell so you get notified every time I put out a new video. Check out my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. That's why the full fathers to the band, Brothers of Rock, and get your cooking boom up to the next level with Sarlingo Italian seasoning. With all that being said, I'm going to go finish my French toast. Until next time. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.